wish I could say I was joking, but all of this was somehow in here. And this is not a big closet. Like, I can barely fit inside of this. So just keep that in mind. All of this was in this. Time to put it back in, organize, and get rid of stuff. This all is what I'm keeping, and then this pile back here is what I'm getting rid of.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up in paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly.
Kind of a before and after. I wanted to give you guys a little tour. I know my closet's pretty small, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So over on this side of the little rack, I have skirts, dresses, and like dressy shirts. So like anything that I would wear to, like, you know, church or an event of some sort. Just any type of dress, skirt, or dressy shirt. Just anything a little bit more dressy than my average t-shirts is over here. And then over here I have all of my t-shirts. I know I have way too many, but I color coded them and they are all in here. I know I have a ton. Don't come at me, but I promise I wear a lot of them. And then if you keep going up on this side, I have all of my jeans, jean shorts, and then regular shorts. I don't have too many shorts, but I do have a few. And then here it's a little bit more messy, but I have a bunch of random t-shirts. These are like t-shirts that I don't wear too often or that are seasonal, stuff like that. And then if you keep going up here, these are all of my hoodies. Some of them are a little bit darker, you can't see them, but if I turn on the light you can see them a little better. Those are my hoodies. And then up on the very top, the ceiling, I just have some like fitness leggings type of thing. And then I have a random cowboy hat from when I was like 2, some accessories and some travel stuff. Then if you come back over to the side with the dresses and the skirts and dressy stuff, if you keep going up, I have lots of leggings. These are all solids, and most of these are solids, plus these which are patterned, and then these are also patterned. I know I have so many leggings, but I wear them on a daily basis. And yeah, that's pretty much my closet. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if this will make it to my channel or not, depends on how much footage I got, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. It literally takes 2 seconds to just click that red button that says subscribe, and you can see so many more videos from me. Bye!